Welcome to the H&S. Whew. It's humid here before we start. It's been a beautiful day, and then as they said, the weather will change, and it's cooled off from what it was in the week, but whew, it's still warm. Look at this, look at this, you can see that. Ice cold in the fridge, so it's quite warm in here. That's what we're having. Conwy Brewery, thank you. Mrs H bought me these from Aldi, I think. Honey Fair Golden Ale, Conwy Brewery, and it's 4.8%. And this one is Cwrw, which means beer, Gorslas, made in Llantrisnant, and that's 4.3%. Thank you very much. I can have a drink of that. We'll go for the Honey Fair first. How are you doing? The hell's this here? We're visiting Thailand. But it's hot there. Yeah, it's been up to 30 odd here in the week. Now one day there was a lovely breeze with it, and it wasn't so bad. Look at me sweating already. But after that, humidity's not complaining though, not complaining. Summer is here. So this is a beef Panang Curry, and I'm trying some. It's rice I've bought from. It's called Tilda Firecracker. I don't know. I'm going to try it. It's supposed to be spicy, and this is a new garlic bread. Mrs H bought this. She shouldn't have garlic bread with a Thai curry, I know that, but Barber's mature cheddar and red onion flatbread. And there's the packaging, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but that's that. And this is the curry. I won this from Tyrone's Kitchen on YouTube. Thanks, Tyrone. And I've cooked it exactly as it says here. So let's try it. This is the beef. I'm using rump steak in this, which I've cut into small sort of strips. Holy smoke, that's nice. I tell you, if it tastes like that out of a packet, imagine it, you know, in real life. That's nice. I have spiced it up. Another thing I would never use in a curry is coconut milk and cream and yogurt and all this. But that is part of the recipe. It's an authentic curry for them. It's part of their ingredients. So I had to use it, and I thought, I'm not going to like this. And how wrong am I? It's not too, I thought it'd be like a creamy, sickly, no way. Wow. These are sliced or julienne chilies. There's, what have I got in there? Five, sorry. Just the finger chilies, they're the hottest ones I could get. And that with the sauce, absolutely amazing. I've been missing out, wow. No wonder you go there often, Tyrone. And I've reduced my amount of rice and bread. So anyway, look at this. Cheers. Best of health to you. That is what they call the icing on the cake. Oh, that is lovely. Ice cold, it's warm as oh. I remember this honey fair like that. It's nice. Anyway, we'll stop the excitement for a minute. There's a nice coating of burn there. It's not over the top. The flavour, I can't get over it. It's not like our curries, Indian curries, obviously, but beautiful. It's much thinner. The sauce is much thinner. Really surprised. Because what worried me, as I said, was coconut milk. I can't do with it in a curry. But in this, well, if I'm honest, it doesn't taste creamy or milky or nothing like that. It's beautiful. Anyway, what's on your menu, if you don't mind? Nosy leather. Very nosy. Excuse me. I know you wouldn't take me out anyway. Yeah. That's why I'm eating in here. Well, let's try this rice here. It's nice. It's got a unique taste to it, but you know, there's no heat there for me. Well, there's some red. I expect them at chilies, but let's try that. What's on your menu? And on that menu, please. Yeah, we've had a lovely week. Onions are coming on lovely. The white are slightly ahead of the red, but that's normal apparently. What else is there? The apple tree and pear tree doing well. Mrs H been planting flowers, different plants, doing really nice. I'll be doing some filming in the garden soon. Hot and spices and things like that, hopefully. So you'll get to see them. Got to make sure all the bird baths are full, because these birds are, well, they've been using it really in the hot weather we've had, you know, and especially now because they've got young fledglings, young chicks, and it was lovely. In the week, in the front garden, I went out the front door to go to my car, and there's a little bird, baby, it's a starling, and you know, I was within 2 or 3 feet of it, and it just looked at me, didn't move, just stayed there. So young, you see, vulnerable. So I went to the car, came back, didn't move again, and it stayed there. Must have been about 30 odd minutes. Kept looking, and then it just flew off. Then it was like it was sunning itself, just in the, it was loving the sunbathing. Oh, I still I'm going to sink a few of these tonight. For hot weather purposes, of course. Well, humid. This is lovely. Wow, many. Oh, here we go. And it's not. It's a hot curry because I've added 5 chilies to it. It's just like a explosion of spice coats the mouth, heat. Oh, it's lovely. I think it'd be classed as a medium heat if you didn't add anything to it. But this sauce, man. Ooh. That's the bread. I mean, what, I bet you can't get this online, can you? I'll check. Because Tyrone got these from a supermarket in Thailand, you see. Probably could order it from there, but it's the shipping and things. What a flavour. Yeah. For me, the rice, the only difference with this rice to normal rice for me is the colour, and there's a unique sort of flavour to it, which I expect is them trying to spice it up. It may be spicy to a normal person, palate or whatever, but I don't know. Have you tried it? Tilda Firecracker. And welcome to any new viewers. Welcome to the madhouse. It pays. Tyrone stated this. He used, I think he used a sirloin steak in his curry, and it doesn't take as long to cook and things like that, and you can tell the flavour. It's so tender as well, the flavour, the tenderness, because I had this on, it didn't, how long did it take to cook? I think it was all done in about 20 minutes. Beautiful. Thai beef Panang Curry. So I can't wait to try the others. I got one yellow curry. I think that's mild, so I can add more heat to that again. A bit more than I did to this, because this is, I think, is a medium. And then the green curry, that's the hottest one. So I'll taste that, see how hot it is. If I need to add, I'll add. But I do like to try things like this, which you can't buy every day. Well, unless you live in Thailand. I'm trying to keep it as authentic to the recipes I can, just to get that flavour as they'd have it, if you know what I mean. But it's given me a good kick. So add in the 5 chilies, because it says at the end to add julienne, lime leaf and chilies to garnish. Well, I've added the 5 chilies. God, look at this, sorry. 5 chilies, but I didn't have any lime leaf. I'm not sure where you can get it. Can you get it in the supermarket, lime leaf? Probably. Or I should have bought some limes which had leaves on it. I should have just added some lemon zest, doesn't it? Anyway. Oh, cheers. So well done, Thailand. I know there's a couple of people from Thailand, I think, and the Philippines that watch these. So if you're from Thailand, thank you so much. Why did I do that? Thank you so much. They might do that, yeah. I don't know. Maybe they don't. But anyway, yeah, thank you so much. Some people wouldn't try things like this, you see. The aristocratics wouldn't try it. Would you care to try some curry? Absolutely not. How dare you? If you want to burn your innards out, do it on your own time, would you? They don't know what they're missing. This sauce is absolutely amazing. Wow. I've been missing out. Who is it that said Chili Nick? No, I don't use Chili Nick. Was it Cat? Cat or Chili Nick? Nick or Cat? Excuse me again. One of you said you like me, you don't like coconut milk and yogurt and all this in curries. Do you put yogurt in a curry? Anyway, oh, I think in the coma. Excuse me. But honestly, if you tried this, if I didn't tell you, you would never guess there's coconut milk or anything like that in this. For taste, texture or heat. Absolutely amazed me. Because it wasn't worrying factor. But adding the chilies, the extra hot, well, if you like me, whatever chilies you like, is a absolutely, it's just flavour and heat. Beautiful. Just in case, some of you may know, or may have, some don't, some do, don't care. I turned 50 this last week. Last week? I thought you were 50 years ago. Oh, thanks very much. The reason I'm saying that is just to say thank you if you have left me a message. I've had so many messages in some comments on videos in Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, just coming in. So many thanks for that. Just in case I don't get back to you on the thing you've sent me, much appreciated. Thank you. I'm not a big birthday person. You wouldn't believe that, would you? I don't like a fuss, but a fuss I've had. And I've been very spoilt by many people, and especially Mrs. H. And something I've wanted for many, many years in the garden. But I've never been able to get one because they were quite rare at one time. And that is a plum tree. Yes, a plum tree. But it's a special plum tree. It's a Denby plum tree. And excuse me a minute. God, Ben, can you see this? Just turn the tap off, will you? A lot of that's not heat from this, it's so humid in here, and I have to shut everything off when I'm filming, you see. So that's part of it, but I suppose this does add to it as well, I suppose, I don't know. So anyway, this Denby plum tree, and she bought me one for my birthday. So beautiful, you know, Denby plum. Because at one time it's a plum tree, obviously from Denby, but it nearly faded out. It was I think there was only 1 or 2 genuine old trees left in Denby, and then this professional expert tree person, gardener, whatever he was, and he managed to take cuttings off them, and they from there, you know, they've started off again. Quite expensive, but I'm just lucky to own one. So we'll have apples, pears and plums. Oh, it's lovely, this. I'm going to miss this sauce. Never thought I'd say that. That's where your garlic bread's for, you see. This is common. This is common, this. This is where you can tell someone was brought up in a council house. And I'm very proud of it. Yeah. In fact, that house is now owned by our family, yeah. Right, that was excellent. The amount worked. I feel full, just right. I can have a few more of these. That was a lovely experience trying that from a packet. So as I say, you imagine going there in real life with the spice. Oh, no, really nice. So as I say, thanks Tyrone for letting me try that. I look forward to trying the other 2 in hot and spices. What a day to try a curry. This was lovely. The bread, thank you Mrs. H. And the beer, ice cold. If you follow me on Paul H, I'll see you in the morning. For this I need, as you can see, need of a shave. If not, have a great weekend, stay safe, and stay happy if you can. And whatever you've done, if you've had anything to eat, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for viewing this, yet again, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be, anything in the week? Maybe, I'm not sure yet. I'll just say I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching, all the best, and bye bye. Cheers.